Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are liking it, kindly share it, subscribe it. So today I'll tell you very simple activity. So it is like dot to dot joining. Basically for the pencil and hand and eye coordination. It is very important because whenever a child he starts writing, so it is very important that he should have a coordination between his eyes and hands and his coordination with his pencil also. So let us start today's video. So in this video what I'll tell you, see here there are dots. Okay, so now you have to join these dots. Yes, just join these dots. I'll tell you how. So this is the way. Okay, so in a similar way what I'll tell you, so now in my next clip I'll tell you that what are the various things which you can draw. Okay, so just pay a little attention how it will be. So here we go. See here, from purple to purple dot, from orange to orange dot. So whatever you are doing, you have to be very careful whenever you are telling your child. So see, there is a standing line, there is a sleeping line. So various types of formats are there. So this is the second one. So now let's see what else. Now in this worksheet, see, I have just made this zigzag. Okay, so it's not a straight line, it is not a sleeping line, it is not a standing line, it is a zigzag, slanting lines. Okay, a mixture of slanting lines. So this also you can do with your child. And now again, see, again now there are long, they are little bit like you have to draw a long line. Okay, it has to be a long line so that बच्चे का concentration ज़्यादा देर तक बना रहे. Okay, so it's a long line just so that they have a grip over the pencil. Now just see, here it's a different pattern. Again, then what is the use of this different pattern? बच्चा अपने पेंसिल पे होल्ड रखेगा. It's not कि वो एक सीधी लाइन ही डाल रहा है. He is drawing one standing line, one sleeping line, then again. Okay, so this is the way in a different manner. So see, again this is like hopping. Okay, so it is not a sleeping line, it is not a standing line, it is a curved line. And just see the patterns, there are different patterns, these are not the similar patterns. Okay, they are different patterns, so a child can just do this. Okay, so just he can get that coordination. And again see, again slanting lines are there but different slanting lines. So whenever a child is writing like from green to green dot or from yellow to yellow dot, they have a different strategies how to hold a pencil and how to go for it. Okay, so now next what you can tell your child is just see, small zigzag, then there are long zigzag. So आपको लगेगा सेम है बट इट्स नॉट सेम. बच्चे छोटे डॉट्स, जो छोटे डिस्टेंस पे डॉट्स होते हैं उनको जल्दी से आप बच्चे कर लेते हैं, बट जो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पे रहते हैं वहाँ पे बच्चे की लाइन स्ट्रेट नहीं जाती. सो गिव देम दैट प्रैक्टिस ऑल्सो विच इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी यूजफुल. अगेन सी, स्मॉल डॉट्स, long dots, so different manners are there. So let a child practice all these things. उसके लिए it will be a game, but in a real sense it is making that hand and eye coordination along with the gripping of pencil. Just see, such a beautiful waves are there. Okay, so after becoming pro in sleeping and standing line, बच्चा can draw this. ठीक है, ये जिस तरह से वेव्स बच्चा बना सकता है जस्ट टू क्रिएट दैट इंटरेस्ट. सो अब बच्चा कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. नाउ अगेन सी, अब यहाँ पे हॉपिंग इज देयर बट विद द हॉपिंग वन स्लीपिंग लाइन इज ऑल्सो देयर. सो जस्ट सी, a very simple thing which you can draw on the worksheet. This is actually do it yourself DIY types worksheets, so you can easily make this. And apart from that, see, again different patterns are there, different patterns. It is like up, down, sideways, just to make a child, like just let him play with these lines and just see how beautifully it is being made with different colors. And now again, when you feel like the child is very pro, so we can always make the shapes like this. Okay, so in this way child will develop a habit of writing within the lines. Basically this dot activities होती क्यों है ये dot to dot? बच्चा लिखना तो सीखता ही सीखता है, बट ही नोज, उसका एक पेंसिल कंट्रोल रहता है. ओके, ग्रिप रहती है उसकी कि मुझे कहाँ तक पेंसिल लेके जानी है. नाउ जस्ट सी सच प्रिटी पैटर्न्स आर देयर. So just tell your child, make a very colorful like dots, okay, for your child, and definitely he or she will enjoy it. So this video was all about small kids. Happy parenting.